Good morning, everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. My name is Narayan Rai. I am a student of BCA IVM at Gopal Narayan University, and my faculty is Dr. Rajkumar Mandal, Sir, Associate Professor of FIT, Gopal Narayan University. My topic name is Half Adder and Full Adder Circuit. Introduction to Adder. Adder are fundamental digital circuit used for arithmetic operations. They are essential components in various digital systems, including computer and calculators. These operations will focus on two types of adder, half adder and full adder. What is half adder? A half adder is a circuit that adds two single binary digits. It produces two output. The sum and the carry half adder are simple and do not account for carry input for previous bits. Half adder circuit diagram. The half adder consists of an XOR gate and an AND gate. The XOR gate generates the sum while the AND gate generates the carry output. The circuit can be represented using logical symbol and truth table for clarity. Truth table of for half adder. The truth table for a half adder show the relationship between input and output. It defines the output based on the combination of two input bytes A and B. The output are represented as sum A B and carry A B. What is full adder? A full adder is a circuit that adds the three binary digit, two significant bits and input carry. It produces to output the sum and the carry out. Full adder are essentials for changing multiple bits in binary addition. A full adder circuit diagram. A full adder can be constructed using two half adder and an OR gate. The first half adder processes the two significant bits while the second combines the sum with the carry in. The OR gate generates the final carry out from the two carry output of the half adder. Truth table for full adder. The truth table for full adder include three input A and B and carry in it show all possible combination of input and their resulting output. The output are expressed as sum AB carry in and carry out AB carry in AB. Thank you.